Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this really cool towel warming rack for your bathroom or for your laundry room. And this is really cool for a lot of different reasons, and I kind of want to show you how to install it. We're going to be installing it here right outside of our shower, so that obviously if you get out and you want to grab a warm towel, real convenient, easy to grab. You do want to make sure that you do have access to power. This uses a standard 110 power outlet and adapter. It needs to be about 3.5 feet away from wherever you're going to be installing this. This is cool for a couple of reasons. One, this actually mounts on the wall really easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it, but it does have a couple of neat features if you want to come in here. I'll show you. It comes with these adjustable mounts that mount it outside of the wall. So basically using the provided Allen wrench here, we can loosen up this, and it actually has this little piece here that just screws into the back of this towel rack, and then you can decide how thick your towels are to then determine how far out you want this to sit. So again, it can adjust about 1 inch worth either direction. Our towels are not real thick, so I'm actually going to let it go ahead and go all the way in, and then to go to tighten this down. But if you had some thicker towels or laundry that you're wanting to do, you can adjust that out, and I think that's really neat that you can adjust that. Then I'm going to go ahead and put this backer plate on here. It's going to provide the screws. Very simple installation, and it's going to go right back into here into these recessed pieces here, and we're going to get those screwed down onto the back of there. They do provide you with some wall anchors to mount it into sheetrock if you're going to mount it into some wood or something like I am. They also provide you with regular screws that can go in there, as well as these nice little covers that you can use to cover that up when you're done. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to get one of these put in here and mounted into the wall. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. You want to make sure to get this lined up straight onto the wall and then just drive it in. And so now that those are nice and tight in there, we can go ahead and use these decorative covers that they provide to go ahead and put those on to then. And now you've got that. This has got this digital display. I'm going to go ahead and peel this protective cover off. It's a nice digital display that's on there. And then we're going to go ahead and plug this in. So now that this is plugged in and it's mounted where we want it here, you've got the ability to press and hold and turn this on. It's going to be defaulted to 125 degrees. You can adjust the hours. You can also adjust the temperature up to 155 degrees Fahrenheit. So you got 115, 125, and so forth. And then when you get that set and whatever timer that you're wanting to have on there, let it go and set, and this will immediately start heating up. We'll put it to 125 degrees. And of course, as it shows right now, this is at 75 degrees. We're going to give it a second. It says it heats up within about 20 minutes to heat up. I can tell you that you can see it's already heating up right now. It's heating up really quickly, and it's still heating up. It's already to 85 degrees. Let's go ahead and get some towels hung on here. So you can hang some towels. You can hang some, if you're in the laundry room, they say you can use this to dry, like socks and things like that. But simply putting some towels through here, if you're going to be doing that, it'll hold, let's just say, a hand towel. We're going to put a hand towel on there. And I'm going to go ahead and drape a large towel over there. I can already tell that's feeling really warm coming out of there. Let's test this again here. Yeah, it's already registering. It was up to 90 degrees on there, but I can feel that that's getting warm really quickly. And that should be able to heat those up. So now it's convenient for whenever I get out of the shower or my wife gets out of the shower, we can reach in here, grab a nice warm towel, and we can start our day off right.